Короче, блядь.
Привет!
Сейчас вместе гуляем по Apple Store самому большому в Таиланде.
Artyom, отлично! Artyom, отлично! Lotus. Lotus. क्या भगाया मामा, वाह 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 वाह। लोटस, वाह भाई यार, ये गाड़ियाँ नीड फॉर स्पीड में खेलते थे, रियल लाइफ में तो देखा नहीं। लोटस देखी, लोटस। अब यहाँ तो मेरे को बहुत कुछ दिखा, टेस्ला, लोटस।
So how did you came here?
I come for business. I have some work here and huh?
Programmist.
No programmist. India, not all programists, man. So I sell computer items.
I understood.
Expansion of business.
So engineer.
Sales, business.
Okay.
I sell in India. I have a store. I have a store and I sell in India.
Oh.
I come here to expand. Like I want to expand in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand,
Nice.
Hong Kong.
And
I'm expanding
so
here.
you have some business partners here.
I'm making business partners here. I come for making business partners.
Understood. Well, how does it happen? How do you make business partners? You meet someone.
You meet the company representative. Like if you deal with Uniball, if you deal with Samsung, if you deal with Sony, so you go and meet their representative. Like you take them out for lunch or dinner or whatever, and then you tell them what you sell in India. Accordingly, they will tell you how they can help you, so that you don't buy things from India, because I want to buy it from the source. So this is the source. Yeah. For example, I'll give you a small example. This phone in Bangkok, it is only 40,000 baht.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
I'm going to DJI store to buy.
You bring DJI now?
Yes, I'm going.
I can take you there. I know the DJI store.
Okay, let's go.
Do you want to come with me?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like 13 minutes.
I know the store. Don't worry. I went there yesterday.
Okay.
I saw another drone for cheaper in another mall. So if you find the prices expensive here, we can go there, because I want to buy a drone as well. See, this is Mini RS.
I need DJI Mini 3 Pro.
This is Mini 3 Pro.
Okay. So
This one.
okay, we're
Check,
going.
check.
I see.
Yeah,
Are we
yeah.
going there?
First we go to DJI store in this mall. It's near the Apple Center, so I'll show you the Apple Center as well.
Okay.
So you can see the Apple Center, and then from there there's a mall, and then we can go to that mall. They have DJI Awata, they have DJI Ares 2, and then they have DJI Mavic 3 Pro.
Nice.
Yeah. I send this to my friends in India. They are calling me and telling, we will give you money, bring me. Because this is not available in India. Drone is not available in India.
Really?
Yeah, because
for buying or for using?
no, for buying, because there is no store that sells drone. It is not illegal, but it is very expensive, because they bring through black market.
Okay.
So they do smuggling and they do black market. If I take one drone from here to India, I can fly free, because I can make that money in a ticket.
It's nice. It's really.
Yeah. He's having Insta as well. That's Insta X2. This is 1RS. Yeah. We are close. Just only take a right, and then there we can go to the store. So first I'll take you to the Apple Center, so you can see the iPhone, and then
I got no interest in Apple, to tell the truth.
no, because you have to see the store. It is really good.
Okay.
You don't buy anything. You just see.
Okay.
If you
To see the store.
yeah, it is amazing, because it's the biggest Apple store in Thailand.
Okay, let's go.
This one. It is
I want to see it in the.
it is a 2-floor store. It's 1 floor, 2 floor.
Wow.
It is not a small shop. You should see it. It is good.
So how many meetings do you need to get?
I did 4 meetings up until now, and they are looking good. I am happy. The progress is looking good.
Nice.
But I have another meeting today and another meeting tomorrow. So if that meeting goes well, maybe I'll travel once every month to Thailand. Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong. Yeah.
I understand.
I meet a lot of Russians every day, man.
Yes.
See? I met them yesterday. They are from St. Petersburg. I came on the aeroplane with them. They are from St. Petersburg as well. He is in Copenhagen. Copenhagen, yeah, Copenhagen. It's an island here. So I met him on the aeroplane, and I bring him to my hotel. So he change and do everything. We have to go that side.
Okay.
We can cross from there. So he changed everything. So his wife sent me this message. Yeah.
How did you know? You kind of know few Russian words.
I'm learning Russia on app. Duolingo.
Duolingo.
Duolingo, yeah.
Feel afraid of this road.
You should come to India, man. There are like 1 million cars.
Oh fuck.
All traffic. Nice buildings, huh?
On which floor do you live?
Hotel?
Where do you live? In a
Hotel? Yeah, hotel. My hotel is only 1 kilometer from here. I walk 20 kilometer every day. Tuk, tuk,
Yeah,
tuk,
it's
tuk,
nice.
tuk, tuk, tuk. I don't use taxi or tuk tuk. It's a waste of money.
True.
Yeah.
But which floor?
Third floor.
Third floor.
Yeah, there is no window. Don't worry.
No, just I'm living on the 19th floor.
Continental.
No, just some Park 24.
Where is it?
3 kilometers from here.
So you come walking? Are you walking?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You are taking care of your health? Yeah. Because I cannot do gym here. I cannot go to the gym. So I'm walking and I'm doing cardio exercise.
So you better go up somewhere to a building to watch, see Bangkok.
Okay.
At night, it's really cool.
There is a tower here that you can go.
There you can go.
Yeah, you can go to the top floor and then you can see everything from top down. Hello. Yesterday I buy my phone from here. Yeah. I see if I can find my friend. Where is my friend? Maybe she's upstairs? One second. I come back. कहाँ है भाई अरे मेरी दोस्त थी यार, कल इधर नहीं मिल रही। ऊपर देखते हैं। तो ये 2 फ्लोर का है। नीचे दिखा तो पहले ऊपर लेके आता हूँ। तो ऊपर एप्पल वॉच और वो सब है, एप्पल वॉच टैब है, वो सब है। तो आर्टम कहाँ गया क्या? अच्छा तो इन्होंने समझा रहा इवेंट चल रहा है इधर।
ทุกคนเลือกวิธีไหนก็ได้นะครับเปิดแอปโน้ตขึ้นมานะครับเดี๋ยวโอ๊คจะมาแชร์กลุ่มต่างๆในแอปโน้ตนะครับนี่
अच्छा
เก่งมากเลยครับ
he's teaching how to use
จะ
it
เห็นว่ามุมซ้ายบนเนี่ยมุมซ้ายบนมันจะมีเป็นรูปต้นไม้2
tablets, iPhone, what?
Well, it's really cool.
It's I told you I cannot find my friend.
ทีนี้
Maybe later.
Yeah, I come back. It's okay.
นะครับกลุ่มที่3ลองแตะลงไป1 ครั้งนะครับแตะลงไป1 ครั้งกลุ่มที่3
I want to make a small message to my girlfriend.
Please, take your time. I will be here, okay? Okay.
Короче, шел я, блядь, хотел себе сделать...
Хорошо.
Говорит, блядь, нельзя, не надо, там нихуя нет интересного. Короче, блядь.
Привет!
Сейчас вместе гуляем по Apple Store самому большому в Таиланде. Типа,
Artyom, отлично! Artyom, отлично!
เขาเปลี่ยนลายมือเราเป็นตัวพิมพ์ให้ครับอย่างเช่นบางคนถนัดเขียน
Okay? That is Telegram, right?
Let's go.
Let's go DJI. Yeah, let's go DJI. We can go from here as well, but we will go down and come back. Is it okay? We'll do one round and come back. Okay? No, downstairs.
Why not here?
Okay, we can come back. Okay, fine. I wanted to go down. तो वो एप्पल स्टोर था, ऊपर नीचे सब कुछ. अब यहाँ से हम लोग DJI. Come. Artyom. We can go from here as well if you don't mind. We can go from here. Come on. Same thing. Up floor, lower floor. Same thing. Let's go. No one's stopping us, man. No one's stopping us. Come on. You wanna buy something for your girlfriend?
No.
Okay. Good job. Ask her to come here and buy her herself. I get messages every day from India. Get me this, get me that. I'm like, you come here and buy, man. I'm not your like.
I have already bought her something from Israel, but there's a problem. I cannot send it to her.
So you're gonna go to Russia, right? Someday?
In 2 months, I hope.
Okay, where? Moscowitz, yeah?
Yes.
Moscowitz, yeah. I like Moscow.
Have you been
It's good. I want to go Russia. I'm really excited to go Russia.
Do you need a visa?
Yes, I need a visa to go to Russia. Yeah. Obviously, you need a visa to go international. You don't need a visa to come to Thailand, right? You
yes.
get 2 months, right?
Yes. No. You got 2 months. I got 1 month only.
No, you get 2 months. I get 1 month. Oh, you get 1 month as well?
I get 45 days maximum.
I get 30 days maximum. All right, we go from here.
Okay.
DJI is in second floor, near PlayStation. So PlayStation, DJI, Spigen, everything.
So
Everything. You will love this place. I already love it.
There are plenty of malls they got here, but the question is why? I guess that Thais don't use that malls. They buy everything from market.
Thailand is semi-industrial and semi-tourist economy. So half of the money comes in Thailand from tourists. See, if you look around you, 1 in 10 people will be a foreigner. Foreigner. If you look around you, 1 in 10 people will be from foreign. From like America, Australia, Germany. I've seen a lot of people from Germany.
Sure about industrial. I thought you saw
Agriculture, yes, but there are many industries here. There's a printing industry, there is a stationery here. They also manufacture a lot of things, right? Made in Thailand. Yeah. You know the hard disk you use? Hard disk? Hard disk.
Oh, hard
laptop?
Yeah.
Made in Thailand.
Understood.
Western Digital, Seagate, Samsung.
Yes.
That is made in Thailand. Yeah. Where is DJI? This mall is not 8 floors.
There's not the terminal like 8 floors.
No, there are 2 malls, right? This and another. Okay, there are. I get it. I came here yesterday. Maybe this mall or another one, but yeah, they are side to side. If not this, we go to the next mall beside this. Yeah, no problem. I come here yesterday. I meet this person here yesterday. You wanna go up?
Why not?
Check? Yeah. Okay. One second. Saudi Cup. 14 Pro Max 1 TB deep purple. No have. Saudi Cup. This is the mall, don't worry.
Yeah.
This is the mall, don't worry about it. There's Apple. Okay, we'll find DJI on the right side, okay? Maybe this floor or another one, but there is DJI in this mall. Oh, there's a bookstore. I'll come here later, after your job is done. See DJI.
For fuck's sake, I can't see. Well, see.
I told you.
Yeah.
I told you.
Trusted you.
I told you. I'm gonna scam you, take all your money, and go.
Fuck knows you.
Not everyone is a thief, man. Not everyone is a thief. I will steal your time. Don't worry.
Ah.
I will steal your time. Just kidding. Just kidding. Saudi Cup. Saudi Cup. DJI drone Mini 3 Pro.
Yes, we have.
Do you have stock right now? Can I see?
Fuck you.
Come, don't worry.
I need to